Chasing the clout can be a difficult game, especially when you're not making the cashola, the money, the ka-ching ka-ching. You know what I'm saying? And why is this so difficult? Because Apple releases ProPods that cost $250. That's a lot of moolah, my friends. Today, we at 3411 Heaven Media were sent a product by our friends at ProPods, who makes clones of the Apple Airpods Pro, named the ProPods 3, which retail for the low price of $84.99. Link in the description. And also, since this video is more hype than a hype man at a Backstreet Boys concert, we are doing our first giveaway! Stick around to the end of the video to find out more details. And with that said, Jack, roll the intro. So I have to be honest with you, the audience, that I've already unboxed these. There was a nice plastic wrapping on here that would have been really nice over the microphone, but I wanted to get the full experience before telling you my honest opinions of this product. That said, whoever wins these, I'll clean out my earwax before I send them to you. The box is very nice and well constructed and has some nice reflective tape on the outside, just as an Apple ProPods box would. But these are not that. These are clones. Pull it out, we see that there's a direction pocket that says designed by Apple in California. Directions, put those aside because we don't need those at 3411 Heaven Media. Sorry. 3411 Heaven Media, there is a pull. And now, we pull out the actual case. Ooh. Open it up, close, open it up, close. I like that sound. That just screams, I'm sophisticated, I'm cool, I'm a Visco girl, I do business, I go to coffee shops, I drive a Tesla, I write in bamboo notebooks, I wipe with bamboo toilet paper, and boy oh boy, let me tell you about Graham Stefan. We see that there's this plastic molding for packaging, very nice, as well as a cord that did have an actual, cardboard thing around it, and it was all wrapped nice, but it's just I think it's a 3-footer. It's the charging cord for the ProPods. You get about 5 hours of listening, 3 hours of talk time, and an additional 24 hours of use coming from the case itself. To recharge the case though, they include a Type-C to Lightning. I just use my phone charger, you can too. If you have irregular ears that don't fit the first type of insert that are already on the buds, they do include 2 extra sets. Jack, I did this the first time we unboxed it, I just did it again. Anyway, they have earbuds, and they're different sizes. If you have a small ear, it'll fit. If you have an extremely large ear, you can make it fit. Now we actually have to look at the real product themselves. The case, it's got some good weight to it. The construction, just analyzing it really closely, everything is actually pretty flush on the outside, and this, when I snap it, I'm not afraid of it breaking. This seems pretty firm, which we all know you're going to be doing that when you get these. LED on the front, button on the back. Actual pairing though is the big thing with AirPods. Everyone loves them because of their connectivity. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled, and I'm going to open up the case, and this should initiate pairing. Not your AirPods Pro? Yes, they are mine. Connect. Hold button on the back. All right, I'm going to click that. Boom, connecting. So now that we have these connected, let's talk about their actual functionality. They do have the touch buttons on the pods themselves that allow you to start and stop music, skip songs, and go backwards depending on the different touch commands. They are a bit touchy. When I have them in my ears, if I go up and reach, they're touchy. I poke it, it starts going like it should. You do have to get used to it though when you first get this product. They have the feature where you pull them out. You put it down. The music will stop. Does it work all the time? No. But do I think that they work all the time in the actual AirPod Pros? I don't know. Comment down below if you think it does. These don't have active noise canceling, but they do have passive noise canceling through how well they actually seal into your ears. I'll be honest, it's like you're wearing earplugs when you have these on, which is nice because if you're on a flight, you want to block out that crying baby, but they don't feature the active noise canceling that the real ProPods do. This is not a pass-through like the normal AirPods. And the microphone. We have some beef with the microphones. Not the best. You'll hear some phone call audio now from me and Jack.
Alright, here's the voice of Jack being recorded through a microphone directly to OBS, and we have Dave here connected over a phone call speaking through the ProPods.
Jack, this is Dave with the ProPods 3, and we are testing out these microphones to see how clear they are. These are being called today an iPhone 7 Plus that currently has full bars on my service. Hopefully this call sounds halfway decent. How's it sound, Jack?
It sounds pretty good. It sounds better than when we tested it previously when Dave had a little worse cell reception. It might be a little difficult for the person you're calling to hear what you're saying.
Perfect. Now that we got through that, the good. These are $84.99. And if you want a product that'll fool anyone when you're wearing these, that these are the real thing, these are it for you. For listening quality as well, not bad. Personally, I enjoy the sound quality that comes out of these, and better yet, the company, ProPods, is actually working to improve their product and recently installed upgraded speakers into the next models that'll be shipping out. The company is very well rated for customer satisfaction and features a 14-day return policy. And the last feature that I forgot to note that does work on these is the Find My AirPods feature. If you misplace your AirPods, even just one pod itself, you can play a sound through the Find My iPhone app to your pod so that you can locate your missing pod and be complete again. That was a lot of information. Go check them out for yourself in the link in the description. But now, the moment you've all been waiting for, it's time for a giveaway. And we're doing our giveaway like this. First off, you must be subscribed to this channel, which means you go down and you click that subscribe button, and if you can find it in your heart, click that notification bell. You have to go down. There's a link to Gleam in the description. Make sure you sign up through that, because if you don't, we won't know you entered. And that would be very, very sad. So go click that. Once the giveaway is closed, we will announce the winner on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, and then send it out to you, the awesome winner of these ProPods. Now, if you're hyped for this contest, which you should be, go down and comment something that I should know about you. Your dog, your favorite color, your favorite sandwich. Should there be pineapple on a pizza? I don't know. But that's all we have for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in. Link in the description. Bird out.